We'll continue signal flow graph. Find C of S by R of S. So diagram is given for the in this diagram forward path is only one, that is T1 is equal to G1, G2, G3, G4 and G5, and the individual loops are 4. L1 is minus G2 H1, L2 is minus G1 G2 H2, L3 is minus G4 H3, L4 is minus G2 G3 G4 H4. Combination of two non-touching loops are L1 and L3 and L2 and L3. Therefore, delta is equal to 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus L1 L3 plus L2 L3. C of S by R of S is equal to T1 delta 1 divided by delta, that is C of S by R of S is equal to G1 G2 G3 G4 G5 divided by 1 plus G2 H1 plus G1 G2 H2 plus G4 H3 plus G2 G3 G4 H4 plus G2 G4 H1 H3 plus G1 G2 G4 H2 H3. Find C of S by R of S. In this diagram, number of forward paths are 2. So transfer function is equal to T1 delta 1 plus T2 delta 2 divided by delta. T1 is 5 into 4 into 2 into 10, value is 400, and T2 is 1 into 10 into 2 into 10, that is 200. So individual loops are L1 is equal to minus 4, L2 is equal to minus 4, L3 is equal to minus 1. Combinations of two non-touching loops are L1, L3 and L2, L3. No combination of three non-touching loops. Therefore, delta is equal to 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L1, L3 plus L2, L3. Delta is equal to 1 minus minus 4 minus 4 minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 18. Consider T1. L3 is non-touching. Therefore, delta 1 is equal to 1 minus L3. The value is 2. Consider T2, L1 is non-touching, therefore delta 2 is equal to 1 minus L1 is equal to 5. C of S by R of S is equal to T1 delta 1 plus T2 delta 2 divided by delta 400 into 2 plus 200 into 5 divided by 18. 800 plus 1000 divided by 1800. Find C of S by R of S by using Mason's gain formula. Number of forward paths are 2. So T1 is equal to G1, G5, G6, G7, G8, and T2 is equal to G1, G2, G3, G4, G8. Individual loops are L1 is equal to minus G6, H6 and L2 is equal to minus G3, H3. Both L1 and L2 are non-touching to each other. Delta is equal to 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L1, L2. Consider T1, L2 is non-touching, therefore delta 1 is equal to 1 minus L2 is equal to 1 plus G3 H3. Consider T2, L1 is non-touching, delta 2 is equal to 1 minus L1 1 plus G6 H6. Therefore, C of S by R of S is G1, G5, G6, G7, G8 into 1 plus G3 H3 plus G1, G2, G3, G4, G8, 1 plus G6 H6 divided by 1 plus G6 H6 plus G3 H3 plus G3 G6 H3 H6. Find C of S by R of S. So in this diagram, number of forward paths are 3. T1 is equal to G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, and T2 is equal to G1, G2, G7, G6. T3 is equal to G1, G2, G3, G4 and G8. Individual loops are L1 is minus G4 H4, L2 is minus G5 G6 H1, L3 is G1 G2 G3 G4 minus H2, and L4 is minus G2 G7 H2, L5 is minus G1 G2 G3 G4 G5 G6 H3, L6 is G1 G2 G7 G6 minus H3, and L7 is minus G1 G2 G3 G4 G8 H3, and L8 is minus G8 and H1. Combination of two non-touching loops are L1, L4, L4 and L8, L1 and L6. No combination of three non-touching loops. Therefore, delta is equal to 1 minus individual loops plus combinations of two non-touching loops. So consider T1, all the loops are touching, therefore delta 1 value is equal to 1. For T2, only L1 is non-touching, therefore T2 delta 2 is equal to 1 minus L1 1 plus G4 H4. For T3, all loops are touching, delta 3 is equal to 1. Therefore C of S by R of S is equal to delta 1 T1 plus delta 2 T2 delta 2 plus T3 delta 3 divided by delta. C of S by R of S is equal to G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6 plus G1, G2, G7, G6, 1 plus G4, H4 plus G1, G2, G3, G4, G8 divided by 1 plus G4, H4 plus G5, G6, H1 plus G2, G3, G4, G5, H2 plus G2, G7, H2 plus G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, H3 plus G1, G2, G3, G4, G8, H3 plus G1, G2, G7, G6, H3 G8, H1 plus G2, G4, G7, H2, H4 plus G2, G7, G8, H1, H2 plus G1, G2, G7, G4, G6, H3, H4. Using the Mason's-Game formula, find C of S by R of S. So number of forward paths are 6. Forward path gains are T1 is equal to G1, G2, G3, T2 is equal to G4, G5, G6, T3 is equal to G1, G7, G6, T4 is equal to G4, G8, G3, T5 is equal to G4, G8 minus H2, G7, G6, T6 is equal to G1, G7 minus H1, G8, G3. Feedback loop gains are L1 minus G5 H1, L2 minus G2 H2, L3 plus G7 H1, G8 H2. Two non-touching loops are L1, L2. Therefore, delta is equal to 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3, L1, L2. For T1, L1 is non-touching. Delta 1 is equal to 1 plus G5 H1. For T2, L2 is non-touching. Delta 2 is equal to 1 plus G2 H2. And for T3 to T6, all loops are touching to all forward paths. Therefore, delta 3, delta 4, delta 5, delta 6 is equal to 1. Therefore, gain as shown. Find the overall transfer function. So given block diagram, we should be converting into signal flow graph. The converted block diagram to signal flow graph is as shown in the figure. In this forward path gains are T1 is G1, G2, T2 is G3 and G2. Various loops are L1 is minus G1, G2, H2, L2 is minus G2, G3, H2, L3 is minus G2, H1. No combinations of non-touching loops. So delta is equal to 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3. That is 1 plus G1 G2 H2 plus G2 G3 H2 plus G2 H1. For T1 all loops are touching, delta 1 is equal to 1. For T2 all loops are touching, delta 2 is equal to 1. According to the Mason's-Game formula, C of S by R of S is equal to G1 G2 plus G2 G3 divided by 1 plus G1 G2 H2 plus G2 G3 H2 plus G2 H1. Determine the transfer function. So first we need to convert the given block diagram into signal flow graph. So in this forward paths are T1 is equal to G1, G2, G3, T2 is equal to G4. Various loop gains are L1 is equal to minus G1, G2, H1, L2 is equal to minus G2, G3, H2, L3 is equal to minus G1, G2, G3, L4 is equal to minus G4, L5 is equal to G2, G4, H1, H2. No combination of non-touching loops. Therefore, delta is equal to 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus L5. That is 1 plus G1 G2 H1 plus G2 G3 H2 plus G1 G2 G3 plus G4 minus G2 G4 H1 H2. All the loops are touching to T1 to T2. Hence, delta 1 is equal to delta 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, using Mason's-Game formula, C of S by R of S is equal to G1 G2 G3 plus G4 divided by 1 plus G1 G2 H1 plus G2 G3 H2 plus G1 G2 G3 plus G4 minus G2 G4 H1 H2. So in this diagram, here also need to find C of S by R of S. Number of forward paths are 4. T1 is equal to G1 G2, T2 is equal to G3 G6, T3 is equal to G1 G6 G4, T4 is equal to G2 G3. Individual loops are L1 is minus G2 H1, L2 is minus G3 H2, L3 is G5 G6, L4 is minus G4 H1 G6, L5 is minus G1 G6 H2. Combination of two non-touching loops are L1, L2. No combination of three non-touching loops. Delta is equal to 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus L5 plus L1, L2. Number of forward path touching areas delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, delta 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, C of S by R of S is equal to G1, G2 plus G3, G4 plus G1, G6, G4 plus G2, G3, G5 divided by 1 plus G2, H1 plus G3, H2 minus G5, G6 plus G5, G6, H1 plus G1, G6, H2 plus G2, G3, H1, H2.